Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the nail surface so chrome will adhere evenly. Once done, remove old polish and degrease with 70% alcohol. This prevents lifting. Make sure to file and gently buff the top layer for slight texture, then push back cuticles and clean dust with a lint-free wipe. Apply a thin, even base coat to seal the nail. Cure under LED for 30-60 seconds, or let it air dry for a few minutes so the next layers sit smoothly. Next, you apply color and the chrome pigment, because contrast boosts the mirror effect. First, paint 1 to 2 thin coats of black or deep gel polish, curing each layer so the surface is tack-free, but still slightly sticky for adhesion. Then, with a silicone tool or soft applicator, rub chrome powder in small circular strokes until you see full shine. Make sure to work nail by nail to avoid smudging and brush off excess powder before sealing to keep edges crisp. To finish, you lock in that mirror finish with a thin no-wipe top coat and cure thoroughly, about 60 seconds under LED, so the chrome stays vibrant and scratch-resistant. Once cured, check edges and lightly wipe any smudges. If you see dull or patchy areas, re-rub fresh chrome powder into that spot before retopping. Finally, make sure not to apply thick layers which can cause peeling. If lifting occurs, file the edge gently after full cure and reapply product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.